Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 is only lasting 5 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue caused by a failing battery. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge, which can lead to frustrating interruptions during cleaning. If left unaddressed, it can worsen, and you may find yourself unable to use your vacuum at all. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson SV10, and a small container to keep screws safe during the process. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged and turned off. Locate the release button on the back of the main body and press it to detach the battery. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be careful as you take off the cover, it may require a slight wiggle to release it fully. Once the cover is off, you'll see the battery connected with 2 wires attached to the main board. Gently disconnect the wires, noting their position for reconnect ion later. The battery is now free, simply lift it out of its compartment. When you have your new battery, place it into the compartment, ensuring it sits snugly. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are secure but not overly tight to avoid damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightly fastened and check that there are no loose components before proceeding. Now, reconnect your Dyson and turn it on to test the new battery. If all is well, your vacuum should now last much longer than before. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to store your Dyson in a cool, dry place, and avoid letting the battery completely discharge regularly. Regular maintenance can also extend the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.